Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make purchasing decisions that won't leave you feeling like you just bought a one-way ticket to Regret City. Today, we're putting two steam mops head-to-head in a battle of cleanliness: the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet and the H2O MOP X5. One claims to be pet-approved, while the other just wants to be your all-in-one cleaning superhero. Let's see who comes out on top. First up, let's talk about price. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at $144, which many reviewers appreciate for being budget-friendly while still offering excellent performance. On the other hand, the H2O MOP X5 is priced at $169. While it is a bit more expensive, some users feel that the additional features justify the cost. Overall, Bissell wins the price war. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Now, let's turn up the heat. Literally, the Bissell PowerFresh boasts 1,500 watts of steam power, which many users commend for its ability to clean effectively without the use of harsh chemicals. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 offers 1,300 watts of steam power. Some users note that while it functions adequately, it feels less powerful compared to Bissell. Hence, Bissell takes this round for its superior steam output. Next, we have versatility. The Bissell PowerFresh is a 2-in-1 steam mop, allowing you to clean floors and tackle pet messes above floor level, making it a favorite among pet owners. Reviewers have mentioned its effectiveness in deep cleaning grout and hard surfaces. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 wonder, capable of cleaning hard floors, carpets, and even windows. However, some users have expressed concerns about its design and durability. Despite this, it's still a versatile option. Speaking of attachments, the Bissell comes with an impressive 13 versatile tools, including an attachable water cup and odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which users find to be a cleaning party in a box. The H2O MOP X5 comes with fewer attachments, but does include a glider and a window cleaning tool. While some users appreciate the versatility of H2O's attachments, others have reported issues with their quality. Bissell takes the lead here. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Bissell has a 25-foot power cord, which many users appreciate for its reach and convenience. Reviewers have found it easy to maneuver while cleaning. The H2O MOP X5 is more portable with its handheld mode, making it user-friendly for cleaning windows and smaller spaces. Some reviews note that it's particularly helpful for older individuals. However, the Bissell's longer cord gives it an edge in larger areas. And finally, let's not forget about the environment. The Bissell PowerFresh uses natural steam to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which many users find reassuring for chemical-free cleaning. The H2O MOP X5 is filterless and environmentally friendly, using only water. Some users appreciate its eco-friendliness, but others have expressed concerns about its build quality. Both products have their merits, but Bissell edges out slightly due to its proven effectiveness. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop receives high praise for its powerful cleaning capabilities, versatility, and ease of use. Reviewers love its effectiveness on pet messes and durability. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 is appreciated for its versatility and ease of use, especially among older individuals, but some users have raised concerns about its build quality and effectiveness in tough cleaning situations. Both products have their strengths, but Bissell appears to have the edge in overall satisfaction. So, who takes the crown? If you're a pet owner looking for a powerful, versatile steam mop, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet is your best bet. But if you want a multitasking cleaning machine that can handle just about anything, the H2O MOP X5 might be the mop for you. Remember folks, whether you go with Bissell or H2O, you'll be cleaning like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and cleaning smart.